Hello guys, welcome to my channel SanBharti Digital. Hope you all are fine and safe and hope you are enjoying my videos as well. So if you're watching my video for the very first time, so let me tell you that at present the Facebook 360 tutorial series is going on, where I have already published 9 to 10 videos about the Facebook tutorial, where you can learn about the Facebook and its tools and features very much in depth for your business. And if you will try it out, definitely it will help you to grow your business without any cost. So please go to that playlist and watch all my past videos so that you can learn so many things in the Facebook. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe it first and press the bell icon so that you will get all the video notification immediately. Thank you. So guys, as a part of Facebook 360 tutorial series, in today's episode, I am going to show you one more super exciting feature of Facebook, that is a Facebook QR codes. Yes friends, QR codes, which is known as a quick responsive code. And I'm damn sure you are very much aware about the QR code, because rarely there is somebody who have not heard about the QR codes. Nowadays, everywhere you will find the QR code. Whether if you go with any theater, shopping, restaurant, if you will go for any online application, everywhere QR code is there. It is highly useful. QR code is a quick responsive code which is actually used to store certain information. And whenever you will scan it through any device or your mobile phone, it will take you to a certain cloud point like any website, portal or anywhere. So it is very much useful for your business also. So in today's episode, I am going to show you how you can take the benefit of this Facebook QRs for your business and how it will be helpful to grow your business. And keep watching my video till last. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it right now and press the bell icon.
So guys, let's start. So this is my Facebook page. As I told you that if you want to have the QR code for your business, so it is very much essential to have your business page. It's very much compulsory. Without business page, you can't access the certain business features and tools from the Facebook. So this is my Facebook page, and at the left side you will have lots of different options if you are using the Facebook page regularly. So I'm damn sure you are very much familiar with this layout. So inside the left side you can see a publishing tools, one option, publishing tools. Just hit on it. Inside the next page you can see lots of option inside the publishing tools. If you're a content creator, so I'm sure you have already visited this before. It's very much useful and very easy to use. And inside the left side you can see one option, QR code. Just hit on it, QR code. Now after entering into the QR codes, this section it's having a certain options. First of all, have a look what it says exactly. Download your page QR code poster to help customers to find and stay connected with your business on Facebook. Obviously, if you're having a Facebook business page, so you always wanted that your all the visitors or customers are accessing your Facebook business page. They simply follow you or check in at your place, etc, etc. And you know, Facebook give you ready-made designed QR codes poster. So you just need to hit on this download all poster buttons and the thing is getting done. Simple. You just need to take a print out and you just keep that at your desk, at your counter, at your billing point, anywhere. It's so easy. So whenever somebody is trying to scan it, it will simply redirect to your Facebook page. But inside there is a different options where exactly you want to take them. Means if somebody is going to scan your code, when you want to take them. So here the few options are there. Whatever the check marks you are going to tick, according to that this poster will be designed. This poster will be prepared. So here the first is like your page. So there is a one QR code which is belongs to your page URL. So whenever somebody scan it, it will simply take them to your page and you just can insist them to like your page. Second is for checking your page. View offers is right now disabled because I have not created any offer at present. So if you want to make it enable, so first you need to create an offer inside your Facebook business page and then you can make it checked also. And the next is review a page if you want people to review a page after scan the QR. So these 3 points right now are available. So whenever somebody is going to scan my QR codes, according to these options, it will redirect to a specific point in a Facebook page. So let's try and let's see how it is going to be work. So I'm going to click on the download all poster. So as my QR poster is downloaded, and now I'm going to check how it is look like. Oh wow, it's awesome. Scan to connect and discover more sales. Right? So super attractive QR codes designed by Facebook itself. It's amazing. See the heart shape. Wow. You just need to take a color printout and you just keep at your store, at your desk, at your sales point, anywhere. It's so amazing, right? See, you can see different kinds of posters over here. And see the last one, it's so good. It will also give all the instructions. You are supposed to score and fall from here, and you just need to apply a glue here so that you can have that kind of a desk piece with two-sided QR codes at both the side, front and the back. So you will have this kind of a showpiece also, which simply display your QR codes at your desk. It's so amazing. So according to the option you have checked in your Facebook page, it will automatically generate these posters. It's so good.
And you know the most interesting and most important part? Whenever somebody is going to scan that QR code, Facebook will also keep all the records. It means it will give you all the insights and analytics that how many people have scanned your QR since last 1 month or 1 week or 1 year. It's so amazing thing.
Now you want to check that how many people have scanned my QR codes since last 1 month or 1 year, etc. It means you just need to have the insights, analytics, that how many people have scanned my code. So for that, you can see this one option over here, QR code insights. It is nothing but just one insight. Simply keep all the records of your scans. It will simply keep all the track number of your scans, how many people have scanned your code, right? So let's go inside. Oh wow, check it out. Because recently I have created one QR for the demonstration purpose, for trial purpose for myself, and I already scanned it twice, so you can see this. Sometimes it will take some time to update. It will not reflect immediately after scanning, but you just need to wait for a few minutes for this number. So whenever somebody is going to scan, you will have this number that from 21st December to 27th December, 2 people have scanned my code. So I mean, it's so good. You are not even supposed to worry about how many scans has done. I mean, you are not supposed to keep any records from your side. Facebook will automatically keep all the records and all the tracks, numbers, and how many scan was made in last few days, like today, yesterday, 7 days, and 28 days maximum. So it is one of the best feature, I think, and for any of the business which is specifically belongs to the public dealing and sales, like stores and shopping malls, like that. It's, I mean, this is so useful for them, and damn sure you will like it. You will apply it for your business, and I hope you like this video. And if you're having any doubt or query, you can put a comment below, or you can write me on my email. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget even to go through the playlist Facebook 360 tutorial, where I have already published 9 to 10 videos about the Facebook tutorials in depth for your business. I'm damn sure there are so many things which you have not tried yet for your business, which is provided by the Facebook, and if you will try it, definitely it will help you to grow your business free of cost. Thank you very much. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Keep watching.